In this question, we have to find the volume of the cylinder to the nearest centimeter cubed. So when we're talking about the volume of a cylinder, what we're looking to do is find the area of the base of that object, and then we're going to multiply it by its height. Because what we've got here is we've got a circle here on the bottom, and then essentially what we've done is stacked a whole bunch of them on top of each other until we've reached this height, in this case, of 10 centimeters. So we're talking about the volume of the cylinder being the area of the base times the height. So the base of this is a circle, so that means we're looking at an area of pi r squared. So we'd say pi r squared multiplied by the height, which we'll call h. In this case, we're told in the question we can use 3.14 for pi, so I'm going to fill that in. We're told that the radius of this object is 3 centimeters, so I'm going to fill that in here. And we're told that the height is 10 centimeters, so we'll go ahead and fill that in. So squaring 3, what we'll get is we'll get 9. We're going to multiply that by 10. I'm going to do the 9 times 10 first, because that's easier for the mental math. So what I've got is 3.14 times 90. Now, 9 times 3 would be 27. That means that 90 times 3 is 270. So I know my answer is going to be larger than 270. And if I didn't want to use a calculator, I could come over here and I could rule out A, because that's much too small, because I'm multiplying 90 by 3.14. I know that my answer is going to be larger than 270, so I can rule out B. But now, my answer is not going to be much bigger than 270, because my decimal portion is only decimal 14, or 14 hundredths. So it's definitely not going to be 1130. And actually, if we were to multiply this out, it's 282.6 centimeters cubed. And if I round that to the nearest centimeter, I would get an answer of C.